Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Secure Spend Prepaid Visa gift card. And more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately. And that is, how do you activate your Secure Spend Prepaid Visa gift card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And if you're not familiar with the Secure Spend Prepaid Visa gift cards, they're definitely one of the more popular gift cards on the market right now. Basically, what you do is you just go to a local retailer. I bought this one at 7-Eleven, and you choose how much money you want to put on it, usually between $20 and $500, and then they charge you $4.95 extra for the card itself. Once you've done that, then you can usually use this card at most places that debit Visa is accepted, which is most places. Keep in mind it has to be in the US and it must be a US retailer. But how do you activate your Secure Spend Prepaid Visa gift card? That's what we're going to go over. So as far as activating the card, usually these cards, anytime that I've bought them, they're activated within a few minutes. There's nothing that you need to do online to activate your Secure Spend Prepaid Visa card. So once you go to the register, you'll give them cash. Most of the time they want cash for the fee for the card along with the card itself. So for example, this one is $20. I had to pay $24.95 for the card total. So that's $20 for the money that's on the card and then $4.95 fee to buy the card. Once you've given the money to the register, it's automatically processed through the Secure Spend Prepaid Visa card system. And in my experience, the money is usually available within a few minutes. There's nothing else that you really need to do. So once you've bought the card, you can usually go to like McDonald's or Home Depot or something like that and go ahead and swipe the card as a form of payment. However, on their package, they say it can take up to 24 hours before the card becomes available. I've never actually experienced that. If you have, leave a comment below. But let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is the package. Sorry, it's kind of ripped up because I already opened it. But as you can see right here on this line, it's kind of hard to see it. It says funds may not be available for 24 hours after purchase. So I've never actually experienced that, but that is a potential situation. So if you bought your Secure Spend Prepaid Visa card and you tried to use it, it's not working, that could be one reason why is you need to wait the whole 24 hours. So just keep trying to use it. Also, as far as activating it goes, a lot of times when you use these cards online, they do require a billing address or at least a zip code. I know that some of the Visa debit gift cards, you can add a billing address or a zip code. This one you cannot. So the recommendation is go ahead and just use your specific billing address and it should work fine. So if you're trying to buy something on, let's say Nike.com and they're asking for your billing address for your prepaid Visa debit gift card, just use your shipping address. And what about a PIN number? So sometimes you go to the register, if you click debit, they will ask for a PIN number. The way you set the PIN number up on these Secure Spend Visa debit gift card is go to the register. Let's say you go to McDonald's and you buy something, go ahead and click debit. And this is going to be on the first time you use this card. Once you click debit, it's going to ask you to enter a PIN number for your Secure Spend Visa debit gift card. Go ahead and choose any PIN number that you want. It's going to be 4 digits. So you can use your birth year or you can use some generic number like 2222. It doesn't really matter. And it should go through no problem at all with any PIN number that you use on the first transaction. Now what you're going to want to do is remember that PIN number because once you enter in a PIN number on the first transaction for your Secure Spend Visa debit gift card, that PIN number will be attached to your card. So if you go to another retailer and then you click debit and they're asking for a PIN number, you'll want to use the same PIN number that you used on the first transaction. And that will continue with the card until it's completely spent. Now, if you forgot the PIN number, you can go back and watch my other video that describes how to change your PIN number in detail. But basically what will happen is you'll need to reset the PIN number. And you can do that by logging on to this website, securespend.com. You can also find that website on the back of your card right down here on the bottom left. Don't go to some random website that you find on the internet because there's a lot of scam websites that are there just to steal your Secure Spend Visa debit gift card number. Or lastly, what you can do is you can go through the automated system, same thing on this number on the back of your card. Your number might be different than mine. Go to that automated system and then just follow the process to reset your PIN number for your Secure Spend Visa debit gift card. So there you have it, guys. Just to kind of recap on how to activate your Secure Spend Visa debit gift card. First off, once you pay for the card at the register, usually it's activated ready to go within a few minutes. Go ahead and use it. However, if you need a PIN number on your transactions, what you want to do is go ahead and choose a PIN number on the very first transaction on the keypad at the store, and then that PIN number stays with your card through the life of it. You can also change it on their website or by calling the phone number. Next, as far as a zip code goes or billing address, just use your own. They don't allow you to change your zip code on the Secure Spend prepaid Visa cards, so just use your typical mailing address. So that recaps how to activate your Secure Spend prepaid Visa debit gift card. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.